Not all letters of credit pay at the same time. Some pay immediately, while others make you wait. In this video, I'll explain Site LC and Usance LC in the simplest way possible. Before we begin, let's quickly recall what an LC is. A letter of credit is a bank's promise to pay the seller, as long as the seller submits the correct documents. A site letter of credit means payment at site. In simple words, pay immediately. When the seller ships the goods and submits all the required documents, the bank checks the documents. If everything is correct, the bank pays the seller immediately. Think of it like this: you go to a shop, pay cash, and take the item home. That's a Site LC, documents shown, money paid. In Site LC, risk for seller is very low. This is mostly used when trust is low between buyer and seller. Now let's understand Usance LC. A usance letter of credit means payment after a certain time period. In this case, the seller submits the documents, the bank checks them, but the payment is made after a fixed number of days, like 30, 60, or 90 days. Think of it like this: you buy something today, but promise to pay after 1 month. That's Usance LC, buy now, pay later. In this, seller waits for payment and buyer gets time to arrange funds. It's mostly used when buyer and seller trust each other. Now let's compare Site LC and Usance LC in a simple way. In a Site LC, payment is made immediately once the correct documents are submitted. In a Usance LC, payment is made after a fixed time period, such as 30 or 60 days. A Site LC is generally better for the seller, as the seller receives money without waiting. A Usance LC is usually better for the buyer, as it allows more time to make payment. In terms of risk, a Site LC involves low risk for the seller, while in a Usance LC, the seller carries some waiting risk due to delayed payment. So which one do you think is better between Site LC and Usance LC? The simple answer is that there is no good or bad LC. It depends on the business need. If the seller wants fast money, Site LC is better. If the buyer needs time, Usance LC is better. So now you clearly understand the difference between Site LC and Usance LC. In the next video, we'll go even deeper into trade finance concepts, step by step. If this video helped you understand trade finance better, please like, share, and subscribe to Money Behind Trade for more easy explanations.